Welcome to Health Wrap, where we bring you the latest updates and insights on health and wellness. Here are today's top health stories. Doctors at Sir Gangaram Hospital in Delhi have successfully removed a sewing needle lodged deep in a woman's buttock muscle for over 3 years. The patient had been living with increasing discomfort and pain after accidentally falling on the needle in 2021. The incident occurred one afternoon when the patient, while sewing, placed the needle on the bed momentarily. After getting up to attend to something, she slipped and fell back on the bed, feeling a sharp pain. Half of the needle had broken off, and despite days of searching, the missing piece could not be found. A 5-year-old girl from Malappuram, Kerala, died of amoebic meningoencephalitis at a government hospital in Kozhikode. Padwa had been under medical care since May 13. She remained on ventilator support for more than a week, and despite the doctor's best efforts, the kid died. UK's former chief scientific advisor has warned that another pandemic is a certainty and the incoming government needs to prioritize preparedness. He said that we need to treat this preparedness in the same way and not view it as an easy thing to keep cutting back when there's no sign of a pandemic, because there won't be a sign of pandemic. The World Health Organization has released a new report indicating that HIV, viral hepatitis, and sexually transmitted infections (STIs) continue to present major public health challenges, causing 2.5 million deaths annually. HIV, the human immunodeficiency virus, is the virus that causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS. AIDS is a late stage of HIV infection that occurs when the body's immune system is badly damaged. New studies have found that popular diabetes and weight loss medications like Ozempic and Wegovy have been linked with an increased risk of developing stomach paralysis. Stomach paralysis, also known as gastroparesis, weakens the stomach muscles, leading to food sitting in the main digestive organ for long. Wegovy is approved by the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) for weight management, while Ozempic is an approved medication helping patients with type 2 diabetes manage blood sugar levels. Feeding children peanuts regularly from infancy to age 5 reduced the rate of peanut allergy in adolescents by 71%, even after many years when the children ate or avoided peanut as desired. The new findings provide conclusive evidence that introducing peanuts into babies' diets early will achieve long-term prevention of peanut allergy. Well, that's all for this week's edition of Health Wrap. Remember to stay informed and take proactive steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.